Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here. It's Saturday the 7th of July. Goodness me, look at my hair. Let's just tie that up a little bit for you. There we are. I look a bit more presentable now, don't I? My apologies for this one being late. It's been one of those days, rather hectic. You've seen all over the news the rainfall that has been across the south, and we've been busy forecasting for that. So I do apologise for this being late. Every time I came to record it during the day, the phone rang again. So my apologies to you. Once again, thanks for watching. The site's kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen. So by you coming back and telling your friends about it and spreading the word about the site means that we can show you more adverts, which means that it generates more revenue for the site, which keeps the site free of charge. So thank you for telling everybody about the site. Just bring you up to date on today's rainfall totals. These are the totals for the 12 hours ending 7 p.m. on Saturday evening. You can see that most of the rainfall has been centred down here through sort of Devon, Somerset, Dorset, Wiltshire area. 23 millimetres of rain at Bournemouth. We've got 27 at the Isle of Portland and 24 at Dunkers Aerodrome. So rainfall today concentrated down here. Now, a lot of the problem we've got through flooding is simply because the ground is so wet now that any rain that's falling on it is just running straight off, and that's what's causing the problems with the flooding. This chart, by the way, is from weatheronline.co.uk, as is the radar chart that I am about to show you, if I can indeed find it on here, which I can't. So what I'm going to do is to bring that one up once again, and I'm going to use the Weather Online site, and I'm going to click on radar. A great site, by the way, this one, weatheronline.co.uk. Yes, I know I provide forecasts for it, but it is a very useful site. One of the most user-friendly ones that I know, of course, apart from Weather. So here we go. This is the latest radar, and again, this is from weatheronline.co.uk. And you can see here, low pressure is centred across the southern parts of England. And look, you can see the rainfall just rotating around that area of low pressure. And this is the area of heavy rain that really is causing problems. Dorset, Wiltshire and Somerset at the moment. This is just persistent heavy rain, and this could produce yet another inch of rainfall to those places during tonight, bringing more flooding. And don't forget, check the Environment Agency for latest flood warnings. More rain as well coming into the southeast. You can see that turning heavier as well as it's heading northwards. I think this area of rain probably just clipping eastern Kent before clearing away, and more rain to come across Scotland as well during the night. So it really is going to be a wet night for some parts of the country. More flooding problems really are the highlight down in the south. Now let's just look forward a little bit, because what I wanted to show you was this chart. This is, or even this one actually, this is the chart I want to show you, the ECMWF chart. This is the ECMWF forecast based on midday today. Now, of course, those of you who've been watching will know that I was going for this dry spell for sort of 5, 6 or 7 days in the middle part of July. Well, I've got to be honest, it looks like a bit of a bust, but the charts, the actual weather pattern was correct. It's just that the ridge of high pressure is out here to the west of the UK instead of where I thought it would be, which would be building into the country with this trough slipping a little bit further eastward. So if we knock on by 24 hours, that's the chart for midday on Sunday. There's the chart for midday on Monday. You see the low actually clearing away there, and what I was hoping would happen is that this ridge would be able to build in properly before the southerly flow really got going. Now, that north to northwesterly flow you see continues as we go into Tuesday of next week. So this is what's going to be bringing further showers. But watch that ridge out to the west. You see it kind of tries to get in through Wednesday, but never really succeeds. So we've still got heavy showers across Scotland, scattered showers further south, and better conditions out to the west for a time, but only ahead of that front and those areas of low pressure moving in as we head in towards the weekend of next week. Eventually, though, the low clears away. Look what happens. This is getting into the 15th, so this is the period next Sunday. You see this little ridge trying to build back in again out to the west. So, and it's there again, look, on the 16th. So this is the Sunday, the Monday as well, and possibly into the Tuesday. So there are some hints of a ridge of high pressure building in from about the 15th onwards. So that's next Sunday. Now, at the moment, I'm really not going to put my neck on the line again and say that it's going to go fine during that period. But it's a period we need to watch. We could get 3 or 4 days worth of drier, brighter weather in there. Again, not for everybody. It looks as if probably Scotland still stays in showers, but down to the south, possibly it looks a little bit better. We'll monitor that. That's a possibility. So let's just come back to the present. This is the pressure chart, which you can get from the site. If you go to weather charts, click on weather charts, and then down the left hand side here you'll see UK MSLP, that's mean surface level pressure, and you'll notice how low pressure look is centred across the south of the country. Heavy rainfall as well is predicted, look, through the course of this evening and into tonight across these more southern parts of the country. Persistent rain as well across there in Scotland. By the time we get through into Saturday morning, well, that rainfall is still there, look, extending around northern and western Scotland. This by now is perhaps something we need to watch, because that could be causing some flooding problems up there. Down to the south, the low pressure is starting to clear eastwards, but we've got heavy showers and longer spells of rain moving into southeastern parts of England, parts of East Anglia as well. Through the course of the morning and into the afternoon on Sunday, so we find this rain looks slowly clearing into the North Sea. I think East Anglia and the far southeast could stay wet. Some pretty hefty showers developing elsewhere across the country, some thundery showers too, and that rain, look, as it wraps itself around the low during the evening, during the late afternoon and evening, comes back into northeast England, so a period of heavy rain across northeastern parts of England. Rain gradually fading from northern and western Scotland, and some rain coming into Northern Ireland too. I think elsewhere we're really just into sunshine and some torrential showers. A drier day, thank goodness, across southwestern parts of England. Now during Sunday night into Monday, the rain tracks northwards through northeast England. Bits and pieces of rain across northern Scotland, and a band of rain too across Ireland into southwestern England and western Wales, but this really not amounting to very much, so that by the time we get through to Monday morning, we'll find that low pressure is still out towards the east of the country, and it's a case of showers for many, but I think it's going to be the eastern coast that see most of any cloud and also outbreaks of rain, just scattered showers further west, although pretty cloudy and damp across Ireland and southwestern parts of England. And then as we head through in towards Monday evening, well, heavier bursts of rain starting to get back into northern Scotland. Heavy showers across southern and southeastern parts of England too, with a north and northwest flow making it feel quite cool. Into Tuesday, it looks like a mixture of sunny spells and showers once again. Some of those showers are going to be on the heavy side through the course of Tuesday. It could be some torrential downpours in places, and even some longer spells of rain on Tuesday afternoon. Into Wednesday, well, overnight into Wednesday, I should say, looks as if we'll find some more showers around. And then through Wednesday itself, rain perhaps turning more persistent across central and northern parts of Scotland. Down to the south, it's a case of sunny spells, scattered showers. I think the southern coasts and southern counties of England and Wales probably staying dry throughout, but a front bringing cloud and rain into the west during the course of the day. Onto Wednesday, well, there's rain, look, heading its way eastwards through much of Ireland, Wales and England, some of it becoming heavy at times, quite breezy in the south too with the risk of gales. Scotland tending to stay drier, and overnight we'll find the rain clearing eastwards with a mixture of showers moving in, some of them quite heavy across the west, but dry through central parts of the country. And then through the course of the day on Friday, we'll find a mix of sunny spells and heavy showers again. Some of them merge into long spells of rain, with another area of low pressure moving through, bringing out breaks of rain. And then overnight, we'll find rain affecting northern parts of England and also Ireland as we get through into Saturday the 14th. And then for Saturday the 14th, well, we're expecting a mix of sunshine and showers again, some of them probably on the heavy side, so staying unsettled once again. And then for a week on Sunday, a week tomorrow, that's the 15th, we'll find some more rain, some heavy showers sweeping their way eastwards through the country, but probably northern and eastern areas tending to be drier at first before this rain eventually sweeps its way in. And then we're looking at that area of low pressure sweeping eastwards. But look, here's that ridge that I've been hinting at, looking to try and build through. So we do need to watch this period of 15th, 16th, 17th for a build of pressure coming in for the west. How long it lasts, I've got to tell you, I'm still not sure. I'm doing some work on that now to try and work this one out. But keep your fingers crossed and we may see some drier weather on the way. So, hope that's been useful for you. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Tell your friends about it, and also don't forget to just keep visiting the site using the charts. It's that keeps the site free of charge because of all the adverts you see. So, once again, thanks for watching and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.